This week, dalawang achievers sa magkaibang larangan ang magpapakita ng kanilang galing sa negosyo. Two-time UAAP Senior Champion and UAAP Season 78 Most Valuable Player Kiefer Ravena and award-winning actress Ara Mina share secrets to their flourishing food businesses.
Time out muna sa basketball. It's time to see the business side of me. This is Kiefer Ravena and welcome sa Ali's All Day Breakfast Place. So, ito na yung restaurant ko. Ito na yung Ali's All Day Breakfast Place, Araneta branch. As you can see, people eating. Guys, okay lang kayo dyan? Ito pala si Rod, tsaka si Ate Abby, tsaka si Raf. Nanonood kami ng volleyball. Updated. So, kamusta natin yung mga customers natin ngayon? Kuya, okay naman yung food. Okay. So, yan yung goal namin lahat. Masaya pag kumakain. Ali's All Day Breakfast Place is your family-oriented restaurant that we conceptualized na gusto talaga namin you feel at home. Siyempre, breakfast place to, that's your first meal in the morning before leaving the house. So, you wanted to make sure that, you know, you feel the vibe of the restaurant is homey. You feel very comfortable with the food, with the people around you, the workers, and everybody else. So, I guess that's one thing that we made sure in conceptualizing this restaurant.
Hardcore heartthrob Kiefer Ravena may be closely identified with basketball, but going into business is not new to him.
I'm into real estate, like, you know, trying to buy different properties. Yung, small things about just learning. Kasi doon pa ako sa stage na natututo pa lang ako eh. And syempre, malaking tulong din yung nagagawa ng parents ko sa akin kasi they ask me and tell me what to do, what not to do in terms of how I take care of my income. Actually ako, into business na rin talaga ako ever since this wasn't my first business venture. It was my first restaurant, but you know, as we all know, basketball hindi naman pang matagalan yan. So I wanted something on the side as well. Food business is sa pinakamalaking industry ngayon sa country natin.
Kiefer admits hindi naging ganun kahirap para sa kanya ang pumasok sa restaurant business because he was aided by his family, girlfriend volleyball star Eliza Valdez, and trusted friend sports writer Josiah Albelda and wife Ali who jump-started the business for him.
The history of the business actually nagsimula lang to sa may Maginhawa, sa may UP. As you all know, Maginhawa is one of the premier food spots in QC. So it started from there, and if I'm not mistaken, it was the first ever breakfast place over there in UP. That's why it had a head start among its competitors. And that was a big deal, being able to be the first breakfast place in such crowded food area. They wanted to expand, they wanted it to grow, but at the same time, they wanted to keep it constant. So they didn't want to franchise or something like that. They wanted just to have other partners in order for them to be able to be hands-on pa rin. Yung partners namin dito, of course, the couple, Josiah and Ate Ali, my brother, 30, my mom, Mozzie, me, girlfriend ko, si Eliza Valdez, former teammates ko, si Baser Amer, si Garbo Lanete, TNT head coach, Coach Nash Rosella, at saka si Tin Gamboa. Yun yung mga original na nag-expand kami sa first na branch namin sa may The Rock in QC, in Commonwealth, in Holy Spirit. So, you know, it grew from there, and you know, yun nga sabi namin, we wanted to make it constant, and same goes pa rin sa ibang branches. Kami na rin yung magpa-partners.
And since majority of them are athletes, may nakitang pros and cons ang grupo.
Yung contribution siguro namin is, you know, when it comes to marketing, kami na yung people to promote and spread the word of our restaurant. We're lucky to have social media as a medium to share our restaurant to everybody else. So, you know, Eliza, me, my partners, sila Baser, sila Garbo, we do our best to promote. We have 4 branches, Maginhawa in UP, The Rock in QC, in Holy Spirit, in Fairview, Pontiac, and this one, Araneta in Cubao. Siguro ano, we try to spread the restaurant, the location of the restaurant, na hindi siya malayo sa isa't isa para madali pa rin namin mapuntahan at mabantayan.
Yeah, okay sila as a business partner kasi we work as a family. Parang mga anak ko na rin sila kasi friends sila ni Josiah.
Hello! Hi, kamusta yung pancake? Ayun ba yung s'mores? Isa to sa mga best sellers ng Ali's All Day Breakfast Place, yung s'mores. Nakita nyo naman, very thick, creamy, yung pancake namin. Kaya isa yan sa pinakamasarap na pancakes namin. Yan, so here's our, probably one of the picturesque areas of Ali's, this backdrop, yung logo namin. So, ito yung jerseys namin. I haven't signed mine yet. This is Eliza, my girlfriend, in my jersey.
Importante kay Kiefer ang maayos na relasyon ng lahat dahil magre-reflect ito sa pakikitungo nila sa kanilang customers.
I would agree that finding the right people to make business with is a very hard task. But, you know, actually naging madali yan sa amin kasi everybody just wanted to, you know, be fair with everybody.
Pagdating sa pagkain, ipinagmamalaki ni Kiefer ang nasa menu ng Ali's All Day Breakfast Place.
Our menu is very diverse. Siyempre, Pinoy. Nandyan talaga lahat yan. Tapos yung breakfast namin is the waffle, pancakes, just very, very good talaga. And yung serving niya, halos ako in my yung buong time ko dito hindi pa ako nakaubos ng serving ng pancake dito kasi malaki talaga, hindi ko kaya mag-isa. So it's to share, and personal favorite ko is yung bagnet and yung tocino. So yun yung talagang pag nag-order ako dito halos hindi ko na tinitingnan yung menu. We do serve lunch, dinner, merienda as well with breakfast. Of course, being yung mga market namin, syempre, mga Pinoy, hindi talaga tayo pwedeng walang rice. So we have our different rice meals sa menu. And you know, it's something that, you know, people really go back and order every single time they're here. So it's nice to always come here and then makikita mo yung mga tao nag-e-enjoy sa pagkain nila because that's the main thing. So, nandito tayo ngayon ulit sa kitchen. Kasama ko si Lau. Tuturuan tayo paano gumawa ng Rocky Road na waffle. So, una
po natin gagawin.
Yung batter.
Scoop na po tayo ng waffle butter. 3 scoop po.
So,
para
1,
kasya po siya sa isang gawa.
2, 3.
After po niyan, add lang po natin itong cocoa powder kahit 1 kutsara lang po.
Yan. So, ito yung bibigay ng color dun sa waffle. Para yung chocolate taste niya lalabas mamaya.
Tapos haluin na po natin siya. Para maging chocolate po yung dating niya.
Yes.
Ito na po
Waffle
yung chocolate
maker.
waffle natin.
Yes.
Isasalang na po natin siya.
Ito na yung waffle maker natin.
Ilalagay na po
Lalagay na
siya.
natin.
Mahintay lang po tayo mga 3 to 5 minutes para maluto na po siya.
Ito na yung waffle.
Ngayon naman po, dito na tayo sa topping niya. First po is Nutella.
First natin
Bago
is
lang po
Nutella.
siya sa upper layer niya.
Yan. Chocolate syrup.
natin yung malos natin. Scatter lang po natin, sir.
Yeah.
Pala na po natin yung almonds natin po. Ganun lang din po yung paglagay, kagaya sa malos.
So, Rocky Road, almonds, marshmallow, chocolate syrup.
And then next po natin is chocolate chips. Lagay na natin yung pinaka-last is yung 1 scoop of choco ice cream po. On the top lang po siya. And then yung product natin.
So, ito na yung Rocky Road. Isa sa mga best sellers ng Ali's All Day Breakfast.
Together with Kiefer, his girlfriend Eliza Valdez sees to it to check their branches every time their schedules permit, na minsan daw ay nauuwi sa inisan.
Having my girlfriend as a business partner, yung mga kanya-kanya kaming gusto, yun, sigurado, away. Pag may gusto siya na ilagay dito sa Ali's or ako naman, parang iba yung gustong feel na dapat ilagay, syempre magtatalo kami. Hindi na to sports eh, so you have to be able to be open. It's nice also to have her around to be able to open conversations differently rather than sport.
Kiefer makes sure that his hands are not tied to either just sports or business because both are actually working to his advantage.
It's a mixture of both, I would say. That's a mixed feeling for me. You can always be successful in sports and at the same time successful with something else. I just maximize the things that I can maximize with the platform that I have.
For now, the group is expecting for the best in their business venture at kasama sa mga plano ay ang patuloy na paglago nito.
Yes, of course, there are plans of having more and more branches. So hopefully, this is just the start and this is just a continuation of what we started. Na mag-grow pa rin siya as just to any business na start ka man sa maliit and then just titiisin mo lang talaga. So hopefully, this is something that can continue as long as we can we'll be able to maintain our restaurant.
And to their loyal fans na hanggang sa kanilang restaurant ay suportado sila, here's their way of giving back.
In return for our customers, being athletes nga, marami kaming supporters. Yung mga hindi lang naman ako, hindi lang naman si Eliza. So as you can see, our jerseys are in the restaurant. We'll be giving away signed jerseys, not just from Eliza and I, but from the other partners as well. The idea of the signed jerseys is from Josiah. Siya nag-conceptualize nun since majority of the decisions goes to him.
At para sa mga kabataang celebrity katulad niya na nangangarap magnegosyo, Kiefer shares some wisdom.
If you're a celebrity and you want to put up a business siguro with food, kasi food is a human need eh. Siyempre lahat ng tao kailangan kumain. This is one-of-a-kind restaurant na talagang pag pumunta ka dito, kala mo nasa bahay ka. Ang negosyo ay para ding basketball. Kailangan sa jump ball pa lang, kuha mo na to keep things rolling. At bilang starters, make sure na maayos ang pag-dribble para iwas ma-steal. Focus lang at siguradong makukuha din natin ang 3 points. Ako si Kiefer Avena and this is Starbiz, where you experience the businesses of the stars.
Ang negosyo, hindi yan tulad ng pag-arte sa TV at movies na may take 2. Sa business, dapat nakaplano at sigurado ang mga galaw mo. Ako po si Aramina, nandito po tayo sa bagong baby ko, ang Hazelberry Cafe, at ito ang Starbiz!
Isa si Aramina sa mga sikat na artistang kung ano-anong business ang pinasok noon. Ngunit kung gaano katagumpay ang career niya bilang sexy actress, kabaliktaran naman ang nangyari sa kanyang mga investment.
Nagkaroon ako ng restaurant, Italian restaurant, Cosmopolitan, Bar and Cafe. Nagkaroon din ako ng bubblegum toppings. Nagkaroon din ako ng Cafe Mina. So, lahat yon naging okay naman, pero syempre may mga bad experiences din nangyari. Yung sa isa namin, niloko kami ng manager, gano'n. Tapos yung isa naman na na restaurant ko, nag-away yung dalawang partner ko. So, yung mga ganon.
Pero natuto na daw siya, kaya nagdesisyon munang magpahinga para makakuha ng buwelo.
Dapat maging hands-on ka. Kasi dati nag-i-invest lang ako naglalabas na ako ng pera. Pero hindi ako nakikialam sa operations and everything. Pero nagpahinga muna ako sa restaurant business. Napapagod na ako mag-bazaars. So, yung friend ko, sabi niya, alam mo, meron akong papameet sa'yo, consultant siya, kung anong gusto mong business, magsasuggest siya, ganyan-ganyan. Tapos minit ko, and then, nag-meeting kami, biglang, ay, para na-excite ako. Iyon, doon ako napag-isip na, simulan ko na nga yata yung mag-put up ng cafe.
And she's back, and wiser now. Hindi na raw siya maluloko.
Nagpahinga lang ako. Nagpahinga, tapos at the same time, mga do's and don'ts, in-apply ko dito. Yun nga sinasabi ko dati, hindi naman ako ganun ka-hands-on. Hanggang marketing lang ako, promote. Pero this time, even construction of this container van, nakafocus ako, pati pagbili ng tiles, pati sa food costing.
Kaya ready na si Ara sa bagong negosyo niya.
Well, Hazelberry Cafe, we serve good coffee and it's Italian. Hindi siya hindi siya local. Kung saan kumukuha yung mga sikat na coffee shop, doon din kami kumukuha. Sabi nga nila, mas masarap pa daw yung coffee namin doon sa natikman nilang kilala na. So nakakatuwa. Ito kasi, that's why Hazelberry, because my real name is Hazel. Yan yung pangalan ng baked goodies ko pag nagbabazar ako.
Positive ang aktres sa bago niyang negosyo because everything fell into place just at the right time. She's looking for the right business to invest her money mula sa location, partners, hanggang sa staff.
Mga business partners ko, puro mga kaibigan ko, and yung isa doon, cousin ko, na nag-work siya sa London but she's now here.
Well, she's my cousin, business partner, sister, best friend, everything. Humble kasi siya Madaling kausap, tsaka mabait na tao. Super hands-on. Kahit may taping yan, pag break time niya sa taping niya, she will come here. And every time na available siya, she would really bake para sa cake chiller namin. Kahit pagod siya, kahit madaling araw na magbe-bake pa rin yan.
Yung staff naman, merong mga recommendation, pero nag-announce ako sa Instagram ko na please email your CVs, now hiring, and mga nag-email sila sa amin. Tapos, nag-set kami ng appointment for interview.
Yung trust na binigay sa akin ni Ma'am Ara, hindi pwedeng masira yun. Number one, since sinahawakan ko pa yung kaha, is money. So, once na masira ka sa kahit napakaliit na bagay, patingin ko, mawawala na yung tiwala sa'yo ng isang tao, kahit hindi si Ma'am Ara, kahit sino.
And to make sure that everything is perfect, may isa pang kinonsulta si Aramina maliban sa kanyang business consultant.
Medyo mahilig tayo sa feng shui Oh, nothing wrong naman. Pag sinabi naman ng feng shui na ilipat mo yung pinto, hindi naman ako ganun ka-hardcore na, ilipat mo yung pinto. Hindi naman ako ganun. So, lang naman yun practical. Since I did the, Manu Po movie, doon ako nahilig mag-feng shui since 2002. May mga nag-suggest na, sana mas simple na logo, mas better, ganyan. So, ayun, medyo nakailang kami, revision. So far, we have a final logo and na lang, sa grand opening na lang namin i-reveal yung final logo. For the meantime lang muna yan. So, kasi pinafeng shui ko din sabi ng feng shui, wag daw akong maglagay ng dark brown. Pero parang ang dami kasing nangyayari.
Pagdating naman sa mga gamit na bibilhin, ang sabi ni Ara, sigurista na siya.
Mga equipment, kasi yung sa consultant namin, may bibigay din siya sa yung mga suppliers. They know where to get this, get that, ganyan. And pinupuntahan ko yun. Nakarating pa ako ng Binondo. Yan, nakarating ako ng mga Divisoria. Pati yung mga ilaw na yan. Ayan, sa Soler ko kinuha yan. Soler Street. Di ba, puro ilaw-ilaw doon. Ganun na ako ka-hands-on ngayon, unlike before. Natuto na ako. Dati pag tinanong mo ako, saan biniling ilaw na yan? Hindi ko alam eh. Hindi ko alam sa ano eh. Ngayon, saan binili yan? Sa Soler.
Very proud si Ara sa mga pagkaing siniserve nila sa Hazelberry Cafe dahil recipe niya ang mga ito.
Yung mga pasta dito, puro recipes ko. Dati kasi wala pa akong mga recipe. Ngayon may sarili na akong recipe. Nilagay ko na dito. Tapos we have kare-kare. Masarap din yung kare-kare namin. Crispy kare-kare. Tapos meron din kaming kubide, yung kebab. Meron din kaming mga pasta like truffle pasta. Traffolara ang tawag ko doon. So it's my recipe. And meron din kaming Mandy's fried chicken. Pinangalan ko sa anak ko. Magkakaroon kaming bagoong rice. Mostly, yung sinasuggest kong food na ilagay dito, mga favorite ko. And nag-a-agree naman yung mga partners ko. Okay naman sa kanila.
Later,
and speaking of coconut macaroons, ito po yung kauna-unahang recipe na ginawa ko since I was 14 years old. Ayan.
bata pa lang, mahilig na si Aramina na magnegosyo. Pero pansamantalang natigil ito nang pasukin niya ang showbiz.
Bago ako mag-artista, nag-aaral ako mag-baking. Hindi naman sa school, kumbaga sa bahay-bahay lang. Tapos, nung naging artista ako, kinalimutan ko yung pag-aaral ko ng baking. Nung nag-aral ako mga 4 years ago, o 3 years ago, ng culinary, tapos may pastry class, bumalik yung passion ko.
Ang hilig na ito sa kusina ng aktres ay malaking bahagi sa ginagawa niya ngayon. Aside from creating her own recipes and baking pastries for Hazelberry, nag-undergo din ng crash culinary course for barista training and pasta making itong si Aramina.
Yung sa culinary sa IceCam, yung barista hindi ko pa tapos, mga nakaka 2 days pa lang ako. I still have 2 days. Hindi ko pa tapos pag-aralan lahat. Wala pa ako sa mga frap. Andun pa lang ako sa mga espresso, cappuccino, cafe americano, yung mga ganun. Paano kung magkasakit yung barista ko? Di ako gagawa ng coffee.
Sabi nga nila, once an actress, always an actress. Recently, nagbalik TV drama si Ara pagkatapos ng matagal ding pagkawala.
So far, napapagsabay ko naman siya. Wala naman masyadong adjustment, time management lang. Naman sa pakapang taping, okay, punta ako sa Hazelberry Cafe, bake ako ngayon, di ba? Ganon. So, hindi naman ganon naka-busy yung schedule ko unlike before, which is na-enjoy ko kasi may time ako for my baby, may time ako for friends, may time ako for my business, may time ako to work out. Kailangan ini-evolve mo yung sarili mo eh. Hindi ka na yung puro artista ka lang. Kailangan mag-invest ka rin. Ito po, naka-display na yung mga binake ko na cupcakes, tapos yung coconut macaroons, chocolate chip cookies. And speaking of coconut macaroons, ito po yung kauna-unahang recipe na ginawa ko since I was 14 years old. Ayan. Tapos, ito ang aming mga staff. At ito ang aming mini kitchen dahil nasa food hub lang kami. This is a counter also para dito sa likod na manggagaling. Pwede sila umorder from here pero may tao din kami sa labas. Tapos meron kaming dito sa food hub, sa The Vibe Gastro Hub, merong acoustic. Ito naman ang dining area namin, kung mapapansin nyo, ayoko ng green. Hindi, green is my lucky color and it's the lucky color of the year. Usually, maraming kumakain ditong family, tapos marami ding barkada na nag-iinuman dahil meron din ikaw mabibiling mga alcoholic drinks dun sa isa, tapos pwede mong dalhin dito. Can you see Hazelberry Cafe? Ayan. So, we decided na maglagay ng 3rd floor. This is a 1 container van kasi sayang yung space. inspirasyon ko ngayon sa pagtatayo ng negosyo, yung anak ko. Kulang na nga lang ipangalan ko sa kanya to. Pero that's why, meron siyang, dito yung Mandy's Fried Chicken. That's her name. Aside from my baby Mandy, this is my second baby, Hazelberry. Nakakatuwa lang kasi hindi pa kami nag-grand launch. Ang dami nang nag-message sa akin sa Instagram na pwede po ba i-franchise yan? So nakakatuwa. Sabi ko talaga may potential.
And here is Aramina's advice sa mga katulad niyang mahilig sa kusina.
Importante na masaya ka sa ginagawa mo at may alam ka sa negosyong papasukan mo. Tandaan, mahirap na ma-take two sa negosyo. This is Aramina for Starbiz, where you experience the businesses of the star.
Ang pagiging sikat ay pwedeng lumipas din. Being celebrities in the world of sports and showbiz, Kiefer Ravena and Aramina exactly know that. At sa pag-invest sa negosyong nagbibigay ng panibagong responsibility at fulfillment sa kanila, Kiefer and Ara are on the right track.